In this video, we are going to show you how to make candy corn bath bombs that is fun, fizzy and fragrance with our autumn fragrance, Dragon's Blood. For a list of tools and ingredients, head to the description below. In a large mixing bowl, combine your bicarbonate of soda, citric acid, polysorbate 80 and Dragon's Blood fragrance. Use your hands or a spoon to work everything together until the mixture resembles a damp sand or a crumbly texture. Then split your mixture into 3 bowls. In one, add yellow mica powder and in the other add the orange mica powder. Leave the last one uncoloured for that classic candy corn colours. Work the colours into the mixture until the colour is even throughout. Now for the fun part, assembling your candy corn bath bomb. To create our bath bomb, we are using our 70mm bath bomb mould. Start by packing in the white mixture into 1/2 of the mould until it's 2/3 full. Then fill the rest of the half with the orange mixture, filling it just higher than the lip of the mould. Take the second half of the mould and fill it up 2/3 full of yellow mixture, then fill the rest up with orange mixture, filling it just higher than the lip of the mould. Gently but firmly press the 2 halves together, then tap the mould with a spoon to help it release and slowly demould your bath bomb. Now let it dry for 24 hours. This gives them time to harden and hold their shape. And there you have it, your very own candy corn bath bombs. Fizzy, festive and frightfully fun. Perfect for spooky season, self-care or Halloween gifting. For more videos like this, please subscribe.